this machine, the Embroidery Consew 104-1T. Today I'm going to show you how to put this needle. A lot of people, they ask us about how to put this needle. So today I'm going to show you how to put it. So what you need to do, or what you need to have, is this one here and this one. That's all. So you can come over here on this thing over here, this one here, tip, and then this one should be facing you, like 6 o'clock. This is 12, this is 3 o'clock, and this is 9 o'clock. So this one should be facing you. To do it, you can just do it by hand like this until you get it over here, and then you're okay. So to know that in a good place, you're gonna have to open this one here, and that's easy to open as long as you're not touching any screws inside to change the timing of the machine. So when this one in 6 o'clock, everything gets set up, this one here should be on top of this one here. So that way you see it like normal, nice, and then clean. Now we're gonna try to put this needle, but before we put the needle, I'm gonna show you this needle. If you see this hook over here, there is a small hook on the needle over here. This one should be facing you, like just like 6 o'clock we said earlier. So you put it over here, and now the needle bar, which is this one here, the needle bar, it's on the top, the very top. So you just bring it over here, and then if you come over here, and soon as you start coming out, just like that, just like that. You see that over there? It shouldn't be that, but it should be just above that. Now we're just gonna tie this one, and the reason we have this one, we don't want to tie it too much until we break it, just a little bit so it won't fly. And that's the way how we put the needle. If you have any question, please call us at 727-335-3434. Thank you.